Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy, and this is Miss Aria. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you have not already. And without any further ado, let's jump right on into this tutorial. Okay, we're going to call this Split Elastics into Pigtails. So we've just sectioned two small sections here at the top and created two little ponytails, and we are just going to split each of these in half, and we are just going to make another little ponytail right here in the middle, and then we're going to part the hair that's hanging down. We're going to take this middle ponytail here that we just created, and we're going to split it in half. So one half of the top ponytail is going to go in this pigtail, and one half of the middle ponytail is going to go in this pigtail. So then we're just going to take a bigger hair tie and secure these pigtails. So that's it. Really quick, simple, and cute. Do a little spin for them. Lean your head back so they can see the cute little pattern with the elastics. And that's all. We really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. We would really love to have you all as part of our little YouTube family here. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And that's going to be it for this one, you all. See you in the next one. Bye.